Here's the Baba. Look it. Here's the Baba. It's going right here. What's this? There's your Baba. There's your Baba. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? Oh. She said, I'm gonna just go up there and grab it. Because the game has changed. I get whatever I want. Ugh. Show off. So now Daddy has to clean more, is what you're saying. Yeah. Now Daddy has to keep stuff cleaner. You like that side of it? Feel good on your teeth? You are spilling, girl. Either you're gonna have that last little drip, or you're done. Are you done? Okay, you're done. You need a different toy. How about Barry? You kiss Barry, because he'll get all the... You can't have my coffee. Don't worry about what's up there. You got all this cool stuff down here. Oh, I bet your zebra wants to play with you. Ooh, look at this. Barry. No. Mercedes, no. Oh my goodness. You can just get whatever you want whenever you want, can't you? Hey, Mercedes, look. Boo-boo. Look it. Look over here. Look. Look at Barry. He's riding on your zebra. What are you gonna do about that? What are you gonna do about that? Huh?